how to download files from the internet, PDF, Word, Excel, etc. using VBA. Use the keyword sub to create a procedure. Inside the procedure, use the keywords const and as to create a constant of the type string. Write the path to the file inside the constant. Use the keywords dim and as to create two variables, and another of the type object to hold our stream connection. Use the keywords set and new to instantiate the object inside the two variables. You also need to call the createObject method and pass a string parameter containing the name of the Windows library that we are going to use. Do that to the HTTP and the stream objects. Use the HTTP variable to call the open method, passing the following three parameters: get, which is the HTTP method that we are calling, the constant with the file's internet location, and a boolean false true telling if you want to overwrite the file, in case there's already another one with the same location and name. Use the HTTP variable to call the method send. Use the keyword with to select our stream object. Set the type to 1, which means we are downloading a binary file. Call the method open, call the method write, passing one parameter response body, call the method save to file, passing one string parameter with the location in your computer that you want to save the file, and another parameter, 2, meaning that if the file already exists, it will overwrite, and call the method close to finish the job. That's all for today, till next time.